Alright, so welcome to the review of the new Apple Watch SE 3, the third generations of the Apple Watch SE lineup, which is the Apple latest budget-friendly smartwatch, specially designed to deliver an initial Apple Watch features with the better performance, durabilities, and also a long-term value as well. So in this video, I'll cover the unboxing for this Apple Watch SE 3, also tell the specifications that what is the changes you're gonna see in these years, and also I will do a comparisons with the Apple Watch SE 2. So without wasting time, let's jump into the video. Before I tell all of the specifications, let's quickly do the unboxing for this new Apple Watch SE 3. So from here you just need to pull up from the back and look. It's really nice. So this is the cover, which is the third generation of Apple Watch SE, and here you will see the straps as well, which is I ordered it from the medium to large size of the straps. So let's quickly open and let's see how they look like. Yeah, so this is the new Apple Watch SE designed by Apple in California. So this is the charging with the Type-C port, which is you can use it as an Apple original charger. And here you will see this starlight color belt. And also I ordered some of the extra belt as well, which is a bit a vibrant color, so starlight red and a brown color as well. Let's quickly put everything on the side and let's quickly start the Apple Watch. So this is the new Apple Watch SE 3, the third generation of the SE lineup, the budget-friendly and also the flagship killer smartwatch in 2025. Let's quickly talk about the specifications, that what is the changes you're gonna see in this year. Let me start with the chipset. So you will see a S10 chip, which is the same chipset which is Apple's are using in Series 11 and Watch 3 Ultra as well, which is a really good fastest chipset. You will get it in this price point, and also this chipset is supporting 64-bit dual core with a 4 neural core engine as well. The case and size, which is this watch is coming with the aluminum, which is the same as the last year. All of the SE lineup is coming with the aluminum body. I got this one, which is a starlight color with a 44 mm, and also if I can talk about the thickness, then it will be a 10.7 mm thick, and the display for SE 3, which is a Retina LTPO OLED display, which is up to 1000 nits of brightness, and also you will see a 4 times stronger glass ION X glass in this new Apple Watch SE. If I can talk about the storage, so you will see a 64 GB internal storage, which is upgraded from the 32 GB. The battery life in this Watch SE 3, which is 18 hours if you are using a normal, and if you are using in low power mode, then you will get up to 32 hours of battery backup. The charging speed will be the same as the last year, but if you are in rush and if you're just gonna charge this watch for 15 minutes, you will get up to 8 hours of battery backup, which is a really good. The sensors in this Watch SE 3, you will see a heart rate sensors, also a temperature sensors, and also you will see compass, altimeter, and also a gyroscope sensors with the amber light as well. And the connectivities in this Apple Watch SE 3, you will see a GPS plus cellular model as well with a Wi-Fi 802, which is a 2.4 gigahertz supports, and you will see a Bluetooth 5.3 as well. And also this Apple Watch SE 3, it's a durable, which is a water resistance up to 50 meters. Alright, so in this video we talk about the unboxing, also the specifications, and also we did a brief comparison as well. But obviously it's a budget friendly smartwatch, so there will be a pros and cons in this smartwatch as well. So the pros in this Apple Watch SE3, which is a stronger glass if you are comparing from the last year, which is improved durabilities, also the faster chip, which is the S10 chip you will get, also with a great value, which is the price will be the same, which is at $249 or £249 in UK, which is a budget friendly smartwatch as well. And also you will see a 5G first times in SE lineup, which is a really good if you are looking for a cellular model. And also you will see a updated sensors as well. And wait, one more thing that I forget to tell you, that the new Apple Watch SE3 is supporting a always on display, which is a first times in SE lineup. The SE1, 2 there was no always on display, but in SE3 you will get a always on display as well. But obviously there is some of the cons as well. That's why Apples are giving a S11 lineup as well, which is if you are looking at more features you should need to go with S11. So what is the cons in this new Apple Watch SE3? First, that you can't get a ECG sensors in this Apple Watch SE3, or also a SpO2 sensors as well. In Apple Watch Series 10 or Apple Watch Series 11 you will get ECG and SpO2 sensors, but in this Apple Watch SE3 you can't get. You will get only a basic sensors, which is the temperature and heart rate, and also the battery backup, which is the 18 hours. The Apple Watch Series 11 was giving a 24 hours battery backups. The conclusions in this video for this new Apple Watch SE3 is that this watch is obviously refined from the SE lineup with meaningful improvements in performance, durabilities and connectivities as well. It's ideal for the users who want a reliable everyday smartwatch that captures the Apple Watch experience. From the SE first generations, if you guys are planning to switch to SE3, yes, this is a very good time because you will get a better performance with a new sensors, and also you will get a better battery backup as well. For the SE2 users, if you guys are planning to upgrade from the SE3, be honest, you will get a 20 to 30% upgrade in the chipsets only. Otherwise you will get almost the same specifications. Yes, you will get some of the extra features like 4 times stronger glass, you will get it in SE3. Also you will get a S10 chip as well, and also you will get a 5G connectivity as well if you guys are looking to cellular model. Let's talk about the price. So the price will be the same as the last year, which is a $249 for 40mm of variant and $279 for 44mm of variant, which is the GPS variant I'm talking about. The price in UK will be the same as the last year, which is a £219 for 40mm of variant and £249 of 44mm of variant. And if you guys are looking to upgrade from the cellular model, then you need to pay £50 extra as well. So this is the new Apple Watch SE3, the new budget friendly smartwatch coming from the Apple. If you have any questions regarding this smartwatch, please leave the comments below, and if you have any other questions regarding any other smartwatch, please leave the comments below. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channels because we are nearly reached to 1000 subscribers, which is the first milestone for me especially, which is I work very hard from the beginning of January 2025. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channels as well to support me. So now time to say goodbye to you guys. Thank you so much for watching this lovely video. See you in the next one. Take care.